Hi everyone, it's Nina here. Welcome to today's video. I am going to show you how I got this wash and go using products from Uncle Funky's daughter. So I've been on this little kick lately because I spend so much money trying out hair products. I've decided to start to purchase some travel sizes or sample sizes when I can to save money, because a lot of times I buy products and they don't work. And I will take them back if I can, but sometimes, you don't want to do that, or you want to try it a couple times to see if it works, and then at that point, you really don't want to take it back. What I purchased was this Uncle Funky's Daughter Travel Hair Care Kit. I got this kit from Target, and it was only $19.99. All of these products are leave-ins and stylers. There are no shampoos or conditioners or deep conditioners in this kit, but that was fine with me. There are 5 products in this kit. Each of them are about 2 ounces in size. What comes in this kit is the Midnite Train Leave-In Conditioner. This leave-in strengthens hair and promotes growth. Some of the key ingredients are aloe vera juice, olive oil, sunflower oil, and nettle. Supercurl Miracle Moisture Cream. This cream stretches curls and adds shine and hydrates. The key ingredients are soybean oil, coconut oil, honey, and shea butter. Extra Butter Brilliant Shine Cream. This cream creates definition and shine for lasting styles. Key ingredients are coconut oil, palm kernel oil, shea butter, and aloe vera juice. Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. This provides firm hold, shine, and definition. Some of the key ingredients are aloe vera juice, marshmallow, chamomile, and nettle. The last product I have in the pack is Thirsty Curls Leave-In Curl Revitalizer. It revives the bounce in frizzy fallen curls. Key ingredients: coconut milk, nettle, chamomile, and comfrey. So let's go ahead and get into how I created this look, and then I will come back and give you my final thoughts on these products. Starting with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, I am going to first use the Midnite Train Leave-In Conditioner. I'm going to go ahead and spray that conditioner all over this section. And so once I was done spraying it and I went to work it in, I realized that I did not like that product at all. It immediately made my hair feel dry, and it actually tangled up that section even though I had already detangled my hair. So I decided not to apply that to any of the other sections of my hair. So now I'm just going to go ahead and divide that into some smaller sections and use the extra butter. This bronzer is pretty thick, so I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my hair. And what I noticed is that it didn't really sink into my hair. It just sort of sat on top of it. So you're going to see me really trying to work the butter in, but it's not really going anywhere. I even applied some water on top of that to see if I can get it to soak in a little bit more. So since I'm not going to use the Midnite Train on the other sections, I'm just going to go ahead and continue to apply that butter to all of my hair before I go in with the styling products. And so now I'm going to go in with the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. And this product is actually a little thinner than it looks. I think it looks thicker when you put it in your hand than it actually applies to your hair. But it's definitely not runny or liquid. So I'm going in and applying that. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm not really getting a lot of curl clumping, which I usually like. So for me, it's definitely a lightweight gel. So when I got to the front of my hair, I just really wasn't happy with how, with the buttercream and the gel alone. So what I did was I added the Supercurl on top of the buttercream, and then I added the gel, and that's how I completed the top of my hair, just as always adding water when I needed it. I actually added water on top of the Supercurl, and that seemed to help a lot. So I put the Supercurl on, water, and then the gel. And that's how I finished the top of my head. And this is what my hair looks like with everything applied. As you can see, it is very, very white, which I do not like at all, because when I do my wash and goes, I like to be able to leave the house. Even though my hair is still very wet, I want to be able to leave the house as is and do whatever I need to do. So I don't like waiting around for it to, the white to dry. But this is what it looks like in the back. I'm going to let it air dry. And this is what it looks like air dried before I have stretched it, zhushed it, scrunched it, or anything. This is what it looks like. looks like. This is second day hair. So I've stretched it a little bit, fluffed it out. This is what it looks like. My hair is actually really soft, which I was surprised because some of the products, they really didn't go on very smoothly. So I was sort of thinking I wouldn't get the best wash and go out of them, but it actually looks pretty good. I'm not sure how long my hair is gonna last, but overall, I think my hair looks good. My curls came out shiny, defined. The whiteness that was in my hair when I was styling it, that all dried up and went away. I am happy with the results of this wash and go. Just to give you a quick overview of my thoughts on what I used, the Midnite Train leave-in conditioner, I didn't like this at all. I'm not exactly sure what was happening here, but as I sprayed it, as you saw in the video, I sprayed it on that one section and this section in the back, and my hair immediately felt really dry and tangled. And when I went back to that section to apply the other products, I had like matted like knots, even though my hair was already thoroughly detangled. So I'm not sure what is in here that my hair did not like, but my hair clearly did not like this leave-in, and I would not use it again. I would probably just give this to someone else and see if they like it. The next product I tried was the extra butter. This product, it wasn't bad, but I like to style my wash and goes on soaking wet hair. And for me, I don't think that's the best way to use this. I think it might be better on hair that is just a little damp or dry. So the next time I try this, that's the way I'm going to do it and see if I like it better. Next we have the Curly Magic. I thought this was okay. It did help to define my curls, but it sort of gave me like separated curls and didn't really clump anything together. And it did not have a lot of hold for me, and I prefer my gels to have more hold. But this is definitely a lightweight gel, and so if you're into lightweight gels, you might really like this Curly Magic. It went on my hair very smoothly, and I was able to rake it through with no problems. And I didn't feel like I had to use a lot of it, so that was also good. And last, this is my favorite product of all 5. This is the Supercurl. This one actually really surprised me. As you can see, when I was styling my hair, I felt like the extra butter just wasn't doing it for me. So when I got to the front of it, I decided to add the Supercurl before I added the Curly Magic. And this Supercurl, this really helped to define my hair and helped to moisturize my hair. And I was actually surprised because I wasn't going to use it in this video because curl creams don't really work that well for my hair. A lot of times they make my hair feel like the Midnite Train did. They make it feel dry and tangled on contact. So I don't tend to use curly creams a lot, but this was great. What I will probably do next time is use a lot more of this when I style my wash and go. I don't know if I'm going to use the Curly Magic on top of that or if I'm going to try something a little with more hold. If I was going to purchase anything else in full size, it would definitely be that Supercurl cream because I really liked how my hair soaked it up. If you've tried this product, please let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.